Okay, come around here. I want to show you something we've been working on. So this is the JetEx stainless steel nozzle, and when you use this nozzle in a drain, it's got a forward turbine and it's got 3 rear jets. This is a bit modified from the original brass JetEx that we made, which had 5 rear jets, and they weren't sort of sunken in there on the back. So by sort of sinking them in a bit more, it makes the jets a little bit sharper, and it means that they travel through less material. So this seems to be good, this one. So, but the thing that I was thinking of is that when you've got this nozzle in a drain, so see how we're just sitting in the bottom of the drain? So if you've got roots hanging up here, yeah, you might get some of them, but you might not get all of them. And it doesn't matter if you're in there and you twist the hose, it's still sitting on the bottom of the drain. So I was thinking, how about with a camera, you've got with the rigid camera, you've got these little skids, and what they do is they slide over the camera head, and then you just lock the 2 pins in, and it just keeps the camera head just off the bottom of the drain and keeps the camera out of the water. So I thought, why can't we use this with this to lift it up out of the drain? But see, it doesn't fit on. So rigid have a bigger camera, this one, the normal one. And funny enough, look at that, it does slide straight on. So I was thinking, let's just put a groove in here so we can just slide that into position and then just push these down and lock it in. So we've already tried that, and that seems to work okay. But then we've gone a step further and we've modified this now. So we've made this a little bit smaller. So we've ended up with this. This is probably version 2 now. So you can see this one is a lot closer to the size of the mini sea snake one, but we're not using the push-in locking clips for it. So what we'll do is this one. So this is only going to work on the stainless JetEx. Slides in over the back like so, and it's got 2 grub screws on either side. And they've also had some nuts sunken in there just to give it the strength, and the meat on this has been built up a bit. So that's going to go there, and it physically can't go any further forward. We use an Allen key. Just tighten up both sides, that side and that side. Just nip it up a little bit. So now if it's not going to come off forwards, and if it does come off backwards at all, it's only going to end up on your hose. So if we have a look now what it's going to do, so you can see now when it's sitting in the drain, see it's sitting up. It's sitting up. And see how it's kind of shooting up to the center now, which is exactly where you want it to be shooting. So you're shooting everywhere. And I think this will also make it a bit easier for getting in and around drains, because it's kind of just not going to make it catch as easy. So we're going to try these out. We've got 5 of them. They're $89 each, plus GST. We've got 5 right there, and our store at 7 Hills has got 5. So if you want one, get in quick, and if we sell them all pretty quickly, we'll probably make some more. So that's it. It's the JetEx stainless steel skid, and that's how it all came about.